Okay, to do our slip slip knit or SSK, we first are going to slip 2 stitches. We're going to turn these 2 into 1, so I'm going to do it knitwise. So I take my right hand needle and come to the left of my stitch and slide it off to my other right hand needle. Then I'm going to do that again. Then I'm going to take my left hand needle and, as if I was purling backwards, I'm going to insert my needle through the front of both of those loops at the same time. Then with my right hand needle I'm going to knit those. So I'm going to yarn over and pull that through and then pull those 2 stitches off. So that gives me a left leaning decrease. So that becomes important in lace, so you have direction. Again, we're going to slip it knitwise, slip the second one knitwise, take that left hand needle, slide it in the front of those 2 stitches, then yarn over and pull through and pull those off. One more time, slide knitwise, insert in, yarn over counterclockwise, pull that through and slide off. So that is the SSK or slip slip knit, our left leaning decrease. If you have any questions, leave them below, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.